Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover the cut and paste option. In the previous video, I showed you copy and paste. The difference between the two is if we do a cut and paste, once we paste it, it's going to remove the original cells that had that data in it. So when we did the copy and paste before, it kept everything here and we were able to paste it over here. But there are instances where you maybe want to cut and paste something. So let's go ahead and let's do a cut and paste on, let's just do this title. Maybe we want to move the title underneath this as opposed to above it. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but you can. So there's a few different ways that you can cut and paste. You can either go ahead, once you have your cells selected or cells selected that you want to cut, you can come over here to the Home tab and select Cut. On your keyboard, you could also do Ctrl X. You could also right click and do cut. So I just like to use the keyboard shortcuts. So we'll do Ctrl X. And once I do that, you can see that it went ahead and added that animated border that we saw before. And that just is indicating that it's been selected. And now we can go ahead and perform our action, which is pasting this. As soon as I paste this though, you should see it disappear. So let's just go ahead and move it from cell A1 to cell A10. Okay, and you can see that it now went ahead and changed the placement, but then it obviously removed it from the original spot that it was in. So that's the main difference between copy and paste and cut and paste.